Welcome to my soapy kitchen. We're going to be opening up soap supplies today. Just itty bitties, nothing from a big supplier or anything. Yeah, so I'm not sure what this is. This is from Barcelona. So it might be some colorant supplies. I don't know, I get my colorants from Spain. Oh, I don't know. I'm thinking this might be another one of the rose samples that's coming in. I don't know what it is. So we've got a facial Savon Valdez, so that's soap. Not sure what this is. What did I order, guys? A Care El Fassi. Oh, rose. So this is another one of the rose. No. This is my Moroccan colorant for my new Moroccan-based lid tints. So wait for those. That's going to be super awesome. Oh my gosh. So we've got this from two different suppliers. I wish I knew which one this one came from because I really. So this is from Madrid, Spain. The one that I got from Morocco just came in little tiny. I really like the packaging. Isn't that funny? How much we love packaging. Even though this is all going to be, I'll probably store mine in these because they're so small. But mostly we discard it, put it in the garbage, but we still love it. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this Mailbox Minute and are looking forward to my, my Moroccan inspired lip tints. And we'll see you all next time. Bye for now.